Kermit the Frog?
Same.
You sure
no, it's not.
Get out there, you. Kermit, stick to your line.
Kermit, no!
I am sticking to my line. I'm speaking from the soul.
Damn.
From the soul.
He fucking did.
Yeah, you are.
I'm just a baby. I'm just a baby. I'm just a baby.
Sorry, Derek, for shooting at you. I saw Kermit and I was shooting at Kermit.
You guys fucking suck.
Fine! Yo, Gert.
Where are you guys? Peter? Peter? That wasn't you, Peter. You gotta say your words. Peter, stop it. Kisses. Oh my god, come
Raise
here.
your hand if you're racist and you're proud about it.
Yeah!
I'm racist. Hey, we should kill this guy right here.
No!
Let's all take turns.
Prove it.
No, I'm joking, I'm joking.
Come here, come here.
I am not a Nazi, unfortunately.
Hey, that guy. Come here, I need to give you a hug.
Asshole, don't aim your gun at me.
Jester, he's Jester!
Hey.
Cal. Thank you. I don't want
Y-R-A-N.
Let's race!
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
Wait, what the fuck? I just found an eggplant. No, I did.
Hell yeah! Can we get a hell yeah with this motherfucker? Hell yeah! You know what I'm saying? What the fuck?
Oh, the blood.
What the fuck is this? Hell yeah.
That's a flavor.
No! Oh, damn.
Okay, here's my winner.
I figured out how to load the fucking the Chinese gun.
Hey, you.
What up, motherfuckers? How you guys doing?
Don't be a pussy.
Well, shit. That's goddamn continuism.
Well, fuck.
Detective, watch out!
Leave me alone.
What is he bad guy or innocent? Almost.
What the fuck?
Stop it!
Are you okay?
Stop it!
Detective!
Stop it!
Oh my god, buy a
Please!
medkit now.
Please
Man.
stop it! Please! Ooh, a vape.
Stop stabbing people with axes and shit.
There's a zombie.
Dumb bitch.
You killed my fucking soulmate.
We got you, King. We got you, King. Oh, he was a terrorist.
They're trying to shoot me. Shoot me.
It was Jester, he was Jester, just wait!
What up, you nasty bitch?
Can you kill me? I'm just.
They're being racist. They're being racist. Ow! Fucking bitch. Oh, he's Jester. He's Jester. He's Jester. You fucking immigrant.
Stop touching me.
Cowboy sex.
What are we doing?
Whoa!
Turning me. Oh, Dios mío, tiré. Oh, chinga. Holy shit, man.
Oh shit.
Guys, look outside of the window. There's a bird.
Gay cowboy sex.
What the fuck?
No.
Why is it
Hey man, everyone.
Now when I started to fucking shoot, I dropped my mag on accident.
Stop. Stand still. How'd you do that?
Look at this not fucking.
My soulmate.
Well, shit. Oh yeah.
You good, Mama? They're all dead up there. There's no one up there. Wee! Yay! Mine now. The fuck you did that for, motherfucker? I want one of you to shoot each other with a piss gun. With a piss gun! Motherfucker, I told you to shoot with a piss gun! Piss pistol! You're both innocent! What the hell, man? We're both innocent!
Oh my god, my soulmate. No.
He was terrorist. He was not.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Wait, hold the fucking phone. What the fuck? Wait. Hey. Hold the fucking phone. Did I just do that?
Stop fucking shooting, goddammit.
Oh my god, bestie! Yes. Yes! It worked!
Oh my god!
It fucking worked! Holy shit! Oh, he was innocent. Whoa.
Innocent.
Double kill.
Good fucking shit, motherfucker. Revive that bitch. Mm-hmm. You having fun? Oh!
Bro, the best drop
Is this
is
the
not to just
brekkie?
stop.
I'm giving a hot tour.
Wait, what?
What?
I will fucking shoot you like a goddamn motherfucker. Look at me.
Selfie.
What the fuck?
This is like assisted suicide.
Wanna do it? Oh. Blue bar. That gay.
Hey.
That was good.
Run away.
That'll be funny actually, yeah.
Give me the tweezers. I'm buried. No, give me.
Alright, let's go.
No! Don't leave us here. He's not gonna do something. Get in the corner. We're gonna explode.
I got it!
Get in the corner. We're gonna blow up.
We did it!
Innocents win.
Anybody give enough trust in me, motherfucker? Fuck you.
That's me.
Oh shit.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Get up. What the fuck?
Hey, something.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Well, good motherfucking shit.
Oh yeah. Don't do it.
There's someone downstairs.
Hey. Oh!
Double kill. Triple kill.
Well, shit. Bitch. What up? Bean. Crazy profile picture.
Thank you.
Oh, you're a fucking kid. No.
You killed this innocent man.
He did.
Sorry. You got shoot. Sorry.
He's fucking dead. What the fuck? What the fuck? You're laggy as fuck, bro.
I know. Wait, it's bad.
Innocent.
I still got him. Oh. Go kill someone. Your dick's red. Is there anyone upstairs?
I